Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how camera Pro mode looks on the Huawei Nova 11i. So to open the Pro mode you have to open the camera, then go to the more modes and click on the Pro mode. Right now when you are here I can recommend you to click on this information icon. It's located on the right upper corner, where we can find, for example, the description of every parameter, like for example the shutter speed or exposure compensation. Next, just take a look how we can adjust these parameters. First, we can find this matrix metering. Here we can adjust ISO manually or automatically. Next, we can find shutter speed. Here we can also do this automatically. And in this place we can find the exposure compensation, and that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. As you can see, there's now this automatic button. Here we can also find the focus range, so it's automatic focus and the manual focus. Here that's also the white balance, presets, and also the automatic. At the top we can find the flashlight. And basically that's all for this video. So that's how the Pro mode works on the Huawei Nova 11i. So thanks for watching, hope you like it.